Hi, I'm Araminta Matthews, Associate Dean of Graduate and Professional Studies, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your high-resolution images to your area of the MAT800 Final Gallery Show. You all have editorial access rights to this Google site called the MAT800 Final Show at sites.google.com. You need to visit sites.google.com while logged into your mecca.edu account, and you should automatically log in with your editing rights. From here, navigate to Explore by Student and find your name. Once you find your name, you might want to change the image that's the background for your title. This can be a personal image or another image that perhaps is not in your collection. Any image you want really will be acceptable here. Right now this is a placeholder image and it can remain that way if you choose to keep it that way. To change the image, simply hover over this backdrop, select Change Image, select Upload, and then choose a file to upload from your desktop. I'm just going to go ahead and back out of that, but that's how easy it is. Please make sure that you click on this section here and upload a headshot of yourself. And over here, you can include your biography and your exhibition statement for what your piece is all about. You have full control over this page, so please feel free to move things around if you like. Do not change the theme. That would change it for the entire site. You do have control over what you add to this page and what order it's in. Once you are ready to add your images, you'll notice that some places are just kind of preserved for you. Just click the plus sign, upload, add your image, then jot down the title of the art, medium, and the year right here in the text box below. And when you're done, you can resize the entire block, just like so. That way, your images can sit wherever you would like them to be. They can be large or small. They can be videos. If you choose to include a video, you can always add it as YouTube or embed the file directly, but it's that easy to upload your files to your gallery site, and feel free to move things around until it looks the way you want. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.